So I got curious, can changing the props on your DJI drone actually change anything about the way it flies? Will it change your stable cruiser into a cornering beast? Well, I'm about to find out as I change the props on not one but two DJI FPV zones, and the results are quite wild. First up is my Avata 2. I swapped out the stock 3-blade props for these 4-blade stealth props from Master Airscrew. Now they're designed to reduce noise, increase grip, and make the drone feel that much smoother in flight. Then I went full nerd mode with the DJI Neo, strapping on some juicy 5-blade props for max grip and buttery smoothness. Why? Because why not? So what changed? With the Avata 2, it instantly felt grippier, like the turns were sharper, the throttle response was a lot smoother. I also felt a lot more comfortable diving, looping and rolling, like I had a lot more control over the drone. It was like going from street tires to racing slicks, and as an added bonus, it actually did sound quieter, which is good when you don't want to upset everybody's dog in the neighborhood. It's a lot better. But there's always a trade-off. Now with these, the flight time dipped just a little. I mean, not a lot, but just enough for me to notice it slightly. So yeah, amazing, but dipped that flight time. Yeah. So what's the trade-off here? Firstly, we're getting slightly quieter props, faster acceleration, grippier cornering, and a lot easier throttle control. And the downside, we're losing just a couple of minutes flight time, barely noticeable. Now let's talk about the Neo. I slapped on the 5 blades and holy sticky, this thing felt locked in. When you're flying low and slow, it's like a camera slider in the air. Perfect for cinematic shots and indoor stuff. Now the control on this thing is ridiculous, and I mean super precise. It's kind of like it knows what you're going to do before you even touch the sticks. But yeah, it's the same deal here also. The power draw goes up and the flight time goes down. Now the wind resistance is kind of poor and the top speed takes a kick in the teeth, but if you're using this drone for cinematic purposes, then that's all good. And also you can get a little overheated if you're going this route. Just make sure your little drone can handle it. Was it worth it? Well, I'd say it depends on your flying style. If you're into long range cruising, well then I'd say stick with your 3-blade props. But if you want buttery smooth footage, grippy corners, or that cinematic slide, well then I'd say a 4-blade upgrade is probably the one for you. And honestly, just swapping out the props is probably one of the easiest upgrades you can do to your drone to change everything about the way it flies. So try it out, tell me what you felt, and let me know if it changed anything about the way you fly. I'm Adam from Zone and Lens. You guys have been colourful, and I'll catch you in the next one. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you want to try these props for yourselves, there are links in the description available. Now, if you got any type of value whatsoever from this video, can you please smash that subscribe button, hit like, and I hope to see you in my next one.